Training with Direct Feedback by Yard Techs.
The power of direct feedback in training. At Yard Techs, we use direct feedback to help you learn faster, grow stronger, and become a top-performing member at the team. This course will explain why we give direct feedback, how we deliver it, how you should accept it, and why it's so effective in producing high-quality professionals. 1. Why we give direct feedback. Accelerated learning. Direct feedback helps you understand exactly what you need to work on. Instead of guessing, you receive clear instructions and can make improvements quickly. Consistency and quality. By giving straightforward guidance, we ensure that everyone on the team learns consistent methods and meets the same standards of quality. Professional growth. Specific, timely feedback helps you master new skills and build confidence as you see your progress and success. 2. How we deliver direct feedback. Immediate and specific. We give feedback on the spot or directly after. We point out exactly what needs improvement. For example, you need to hold the edger down firmer. Positive tone. Though the feedback may address issues, it is meant to support and guide you. Our trainers are respectful but clear about what you need to fix. Constructive approach. Our focus is on solutions, not blame or debate. We'll show you how to correct the issue and confirm you understand. 3. How you should accept feedback. Listen actively. Pay attention to the feedback, without interrupting. Let the trainer finish explaining what needs to change and why. Stay open-minded. Understand that the main goal is to help you succeed. Avoid becoming defensive or taking it personally. Keep response short and positive. Confirm you received the feedback. A simple yes or got it is all that's needed. Being defensive, explaining yourself, or questioning feedback wastes time and is the opposite of what we are looking for. If you don't understand the feedback, say you don't understand. Take action. Apply changes right away to show you understand and accept. Have questions. Most often, save your questions for later. Unless necessary, wait and see if your questions are answered after seeing the results. 4. Why direct feedback produces top-performing candidates. Rapid skill development. By getting clear information on what to fix, you make improvements faster. This speed of learning sets you apart as a high performer. Confidence building. As you master each skill through clear guidance, you gain confidence in your work. Confident team members tend to excel and even help others improve. Strong team culture. When everyone receives and applies feedback, the whole team benefits. This environment of open communication leads to continuous improvement and better results for clients. Professional reputation. Individuals trained with direct feedback become known for their exceptional quality of work and attention to detail. 5. Conclusion. Direct feedback is the cornerstone of our training program, because it makes learning clear, fast, and effective. By embracing this open and straightforward approach, you'll gain the skills needed to become a top performer at Yard Techs. Remember, embrace direct feedback as an opportunity to grow. By welcoming clear guidance, acting on it, and constantly improving, you'll gain the skills and reputation to excel at Yard Techs.